guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY glitter slime. This is a super easy recipe, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we start this video, here are our shoutouts today. We'll be needing a bowl and mixing tool, some activator, and I'm just using a borax mixture. You can make this by mixing 1 teaspoon of borax into 1 cup of warm water. You can also use different activators and some Elmer's glue. The first thing you're going to want to do is just pour your glue into your bowl. Next, you're going to be using a 1:1 ratio of water. You can also add less if you want your slime to be less jiggly. Make sure you're mixing the water and glue together well because water can separate from the glue, and when you are activating, you do not want that to happen. After you are done mixing that, then start adding in your activator little by little. This is a very important step because if you add in all your activator at once, your slime could become very rubbery and very hard. When your slime starts sticking to the bowl, then take it out and knead it with your hands. This is an important step because you want to take all the clumps out. This is my slime after I kneaded it. After you finish making your slime, you're going to want to put your slime into an airtight container for about 2 to 3 days. Then, it's going to clear up. This is my slime after 2 days. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Bye!